Have you ever tried to make a plant-based smash burger? You know, the burger that you smash with your spatula, which just gets you ultimate sear on every side? The problem is, with plant-based burgers, it doesn't really work out that great. They either fall apart like this, that's the Impossible Burger, or they dry out like crazy. So I've been watching a ton of videos on YouTube, seeing how people make smash burgers. I wanted to see how if we can take a few smash burger techniques and use them for plant-based to see if we can make a better, juicier, plant-based smash burger. So let's get moving, let's try them out. Before we start making some burgers, pretty much every smash burger I saw had caramelized onions on it, so let's do it. First, slice up a whole sweet onion and then heat up a cast iron skillet on about a medium heat. Toss in a knob of butter, let that melt down, toss in your sweet onions, and stir to coat. After about 10 minutes, throw a little salt on there, stir them again, and turn that heat down to a low, and then just let these guys chill. They're gonna keep on simmering through until they completely caramelize. These here have been cooking for about 40 minutes. They're completely done. Now we just need to pull them off, and let's start on our burgers. Now we're gonna be testing 4 different methods, and smash burgers cook pretty quick, so we're gonna heat up a few cast iron pans. But first we have to toast the buns, because otherwise you all are gonna be really mad at me. While the buns are toasting, let's make a really quick burger sauce. Now this is just gonna use equal parts of vegan mayo, ketchup, mustard, and then just a tiny little dash of barbecue sauce. That's my own little addition. Now shake the living heck out of it and give it a little taste and enjoy your homemade burger sauce. Now we're gonna be doing this test between Impossible and Beyond and all of the different variations for the smash burger with Impossible and Beyond. So we're gonna be making 3-ounce smash burgers. That seems to be about the common weight of a smash burger. So we're gonna make a bunch of 3-ounce meatballs using Beyond and Impossible. And one of the smash burgers I wanna test out is actually a blended burger. So before we make that one, we're gonna cook up some mushrooms. Now I just have this basic mushroom mix from the grocery store. All we're gonna do is just blend those up, throw those into a pan, cook them down, trying to remove some of the moisture. And then once we get that cooked out, we have kind of like a mushroom paste. It's like I think it's called Duxelle. It's what I just recently used in making the Gordon Ramsay beef Wellington. So now we're gonna mix this in a 2-to-1 ratio. Now I'm gonna be testing Beyond and Impossible with this. So we're gonna do 2 grams of Beyond in one, 2 grams of Impossible in the other, and then 1 gram each of the mushroom paste. Mix that up, roll it into a ball, toss it into a fridge. Now let's start making our smash burgers. So all the smash burgers are gonna get treated very similar. We have really ripping hot cast iron pans. The balls are gonna get placed in the pan. They're gonna get salt, pepper, and then smashed. Now for the original smash burger, this one, it kind of got all messed up, but that's what happens with the plant-based smash burgers. But I just rolled with it. Now just so you can see the way these cook, we have Impossible on the right and Beyond on the left. The Beyond kind of holds up to being a smash burger, even though it doesn't look like it, where the Impossible really doesn't. The Impossible dries out fairly quick when you try to make it a smash burger. So once you flip these, we're just gonna toss them with some plant-based cheese. I'm gonna be using a Violife cheddar. Toss in a little bit of water to kind of help the steam, cover them, and let that steam for just a moment. This all happens really fast. Now for the next version of smash burgers, we're gonna be using a recipe from my buddy Steve over at Not Another Cooking Show, where he did like an onion-based smash burger. For this, we just had some sweet onions that were cut even thinner. We're just gonna cover the meatballs with the onions and smash it down. Once they're smashed, those onions are gonna kind of like cook in and steam with the burger, which I think for a plant-based burger might actually help it remain juicy and even lend to like a better mouthfeel. Now this next one's a ton of fun and probably the most unhealthy, but I've seen this on a ton of smash burger videos and they're just butter smash burgers. So I'm using an absurd amount of vegan butter in a small cast iron skillet, so that way it makes sure it kind of fills up, because we're gonna be essentially like frying the burgers in this vegan butter. Now to me, it seems like this one, I mean, it's still juicy after it's flipped. I just have a feeling this is gonna be the winner, but we'll see. So next up, now we just need to cook our mushroom burgers. These cooked phenomenal. They smashed really easy. Pretty much everything about the mushroom version was like the better cooking experience of the smash burger. And that's it. Let's start topping these. They're all gonna get caramelized onion, except the onion burger, and they're all gonna get a little bit of that burger sauce. Let's top them off, and now let's see what Monica has to say about them. First up, the standard smash burger. But first,
hey gang, I'm gonna take a little break from editing so Monica and I can go get some gas in her car, and I can tell you about today's sponsor, Upside. So inflation's hitting everyone. Gas, groceries, dining out, it's all getting more expensive, and that's why with every purchase, I'm earning cash back thanks to Upside. Upside is an incredible app for anyone who buys gas, groceries, or dines out, which Monica and I do a lot. To get started, download the free Upside app in the App Store or Google Play. Use my promo code SauceStache and get $5 or more cash back on your first purchase of $10 or more. Next, claim an offer for whatever you're buying on Upside. Check in at the business, pay as usual with a credit card or debit card, and get paid. It's that easy. In comparison to credit card rewards or loyalty programs, you can earn 3 times more cash back with Upside. I mean, look, I've saved enough for like 5 tanks of gas. You can cash out at any time to your bank account, PayPal, or an e-gift card for Amazon or other brands. And Upside users are earning more than $1 million every week. That's probably why they have a 4.8 star rating on the App Store.
So gang, download the free Upside app app and use code SauceStache to get $5 or more cash back on your first purchase of $10 or more. Upside, thanks for sponsoring today's video and saving me some money on gas.
Okay, now back to the video. First up, the standard smash.
Cheers.
Cheers.
That tastes good. Let's continue moving on.
This one's impossible. I like this one.
Now, the crazy thing is with Impossible, you saw when you make the smash burgers, they break apart, they don't stay together. When was the Beyond was drier?
Yeah, I think it was a little drier and just less flavor actually, which is weird because I usually feel like Beyond has more flavor.
Now let's try this next method. This is the method from my buddy Steve at Not Another Cooking Show. This one comes out really good. I don't know if it's the onions helping it cook.
Looking.
Yeah, it's super pretty.
Okay. I like
Yeah,
this.
tons of flavor. Yeah, tons and tons of flavor. Wow. It almost feels like the onions kind of keep it juicier. Let's move on to this next one.
I think I like this one better than the, again, you know.
And I know you normally like Beyond, so it's kind of funny, but...
I just feel like the Impossible is coming out a little bit more like robust, like a little bit more savory.
Savory, yeah.
It's like got a better bite to it. This one just wins in this one for some reason.
It really does. So, out of all of them so far, is it that one?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, mine too.
Yeah.
So this one might change that. I'm really curious to see what you think, and I think this one's gonna be the top one. I don't know, we'll see.
This isn't my favorite.
Really?
It's good. Maybe it's juicier, but it's not my favorite. The last one is still my favorite.
And that's what I said, I think this one's gonna change it.
Yeah, this one's good.
So it's funny that I thought that was the Beyond, but this is the Beyond for sure.
It's definitely Beyond.
I still think Not Another Cooking Show Onion Burger is the winner.
I do too.
Here we go.
Okay.
This one's super unique. This was my own kind of creation, but I mean, tons of people have done this before, but I just made it a little bit different based on last week's video. Let's see what you think.
Okay. It's good. It's a little soft.
It's the juiciest. You think it's soft as in like falling apart soft, or you think it's soft as in just juicy?
It's soft, juicy.
Yeah, soft juicy. It's
It's really good.
yeah. I still keep leaning towards that onion burger, but this one's a second.
Yeah. I mean, they're very close.
The cooked in butter is the worst one actually. That's the one I thought was gonna be the best, but I think the cooked in butter was the worst.
It's a good try.
We just have a mess of vegan burgers.
Cheers.
Cheers. Here we go. I don't know.
I don't know why for these particular burgers, the Beyond is just not doing it for me like the Impossible. I don't know what happened. It's like I had a switch in my brain change.
For the smash burger.
Yeah, for the smash burger, I guess.
But for a regular burger, you still like the Beyond.
Probably.
Okay, so there we go. I think that's a really good conclusion because I kind of agree. I mean, like, I like the Beyond. I think Impossible mimics real meat better, but Beyond is friggin' good. Has a good flavor to it. And I've had a lot of good. There's a burger place down here that has the Beyond Burger that Monica and I frequent quite a bit, and it is really good the way they do it. For the smash burgers, the Beyond just doesn't seem to hold up. Okay, baby, what is your winner?
I mean, I still have to go with the Impossible Not Another Cooking Show on Smash Burger.
The onion smash
The
burger.
onion smash burger.
I'm gonna agree. I'm a little bummed because I spent all that time making these caramelized onions, which are really good.
They are good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Um,
Yeah, I love it. And so I'm sorry.
But it retains some of the moisture. I think as the onions are cooking, it's actually releasing a lot of water, so it's keeping the burger super moist. And then those onions just grilling into the burger itself is also adding a ton of flavor.
I mean, I think this one,
The mushroom Impossible.
yeah, I really liked it. I think that for me, the only reason why the onion one, Not Another Cooking Show won, was because I just feel like this was a little too rich for me with the caramelized onions.
It was
just
rich, yeah.
So it's still really good, and so I think that's like my taste preference. Is like I have trouble with really rich food with my like taste buds, I guess. So it's like I have to take small bites of stuff like that. But it's really good. I just tolerate the other one a little bit better.
Yeah. Okay, baby, so I'm gonna take all of your meat and all of my meat, and we're gonna blend it up and turn it into like some like sloppy joes tonight or something. Does that sound good?
It sounds awesome.
Yeah. Not Another Cooking Show. That's my buddy Steve. He makes, some killer food, so go check him out. The onion smash burger, and I figured it would come in pretty like top, but really it took the whole thing. That's the technique to do if you're gonna be making plant-based smash burgers.